We are just hours away from opening statements in the Adam Fravel trial. You may remember Fravel facing murder charges in the death of his former girlfriend, Madeline Kingsbury.
The mother of two disappeared from Winona early last year, and searchers found her body months later. Fox 9's Mike Manzoni joining us in our studios tonight. And so, Mike, jury selection did wrap up today, so what's next?
17 people, a dozen jurors, and 5 alternates are now ready to go. After opening statements tomorrow, they'll hear from witnesses who will tell them that Fravel threatened and assaulted Kingsbury before her death.
You want to make sure that you lay a framework for the jury so that they understand what's coming.
That's what prosecutors and Adam Fravel's defense team will do when they make their opening statements Thursday. The trial comes a year and a half after Madeline Kingsbury disappeared after dropping off her kids at daycare in Winona. Hundreds of people searched for the 26-year-old mother of 2, looking along roads that Fravel used that day. A sheriff's deputy found her body wrapped in a bed sheet in a culvert in Fillmore County in June 2023 near Fravel's parents' house. The sheet matched one missing from the Winona home she shared with him. Jurors will hear those details and listen to witnesses tell them that Fravel assaulted and threatened Kingsbury before her death. They'll also hear that Kingsbury left Fravel for someone else and told him she planned to move out. And others will talk about bruises they saw on her.
A lot of jurors walk in with the idea that, well, the state must be right, and the police are testifying on that side, and so that can cause problems.
Criminal defense attorney Mike Bryant, who isn't involved in the case, says prosecutors have a lot to bring to the jury, but they also have a tough task.
You've got a number of things that happen that'll link it to the defendant, but they still have to prove their case, and they have to prove their case to people who have never heard about the case.
The trial moved to Mankato after Fravel argued he couldn't get a fair trial in Winona County because of all the publicity. It should wrap up sometime next month. Live in the studio tonight, Mike Manzoni, Fox 9.